Hey, this is Justin Rudd at Over the Top Skate Park, and this is my bike check. So to start it off, I have a Sunday Soundwave and a 21.25 top tube. And for grips, I have the Fiend grips, and my bars are Primo rebars in a 9-inch rise and a 29 wide. And for my stem, I have a Haro lineage stem with some Fiend Invest cast forks in black and a Fiend headset. And for my front wheel, I have a Javelin hub laced to an Animal rim with some BSD Donasqueak tires, and I also have a BSD Donasqueak tire in the back, both 2.25. And for my seat, I have the Info Crew prototype seat and Animal seat post. And then for my pedals, I have the Demolition Trooper pedals with some Fiend cranks. Yeah, they're pretty sweet. And then a Primo solid sprocket and a KMC Walmart chain. And for my back wheel, I have the Colony free coaster laced to the Colony rim. And for my pegs, I'm running 3 Demolition Dumbuck pegs and 1 Deco peg. And that's my bike check.